Welcome, in front of me is the Axon 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how to set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and you should find the toggle right here. Now the position of it might vary a bit, might not be the exact placement as it is right now. But before you tap on it, you want to hold the option, and this will take us to the settings from where we can customize and change the password, the network name and stuff like that. So tap on Wi-Fi hotspot, set up Wi-Fi hotspot, and then start off by most likely changing the password, because this is just some kind of randomly generated one, so we can set it up to something easier. Now the only thing to keep in mind right here is the password needs to have at least 8 characters, as you can see it right here. And then you have also hide my device, which when you enable this the Wi-Fi, you will need to add your Wi-Fi manually by typing in the network name and then the password, which I don't advise on enabling this. That's just personal preference, honestly. It's going to be easier to just connect later on. And then you also have select AP band. Now this one is one where you get to choose one or the other. You can't have both. So if you go with 5 GHz one, which is overall better, and your device doesn't support it, you will need to just go back in here and change it manually. Now older devices usually didn't have support for 5 GHz because they were older, so 2.4 will be safer in terms of every device can connect to it, but will be slower. Not every device can connect to 5 GHz, but the ones that can will have a better experience. And on top you have the network name, which you can also change if you want to, and that's about it. Once you have set that up, just tap on the check mark right here. You can basically leave this settings right now and pull down the notification panel and simply tap on it to enable or disable it at your will. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.